we can simplify an x equals negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the other one is x equals negative b, negative value, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Example. Using this base, we're going to solve the equation 2x squared plus 3x times 3. Example, this one. Okay. So x equals negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. What is a? This equation. A is 2, b is 3, c equals negative 0. Okay, before you determine the value of a and b, make sure that it is in general form. Always write in this manner. Equation is 0. Okay, otherwise you will end up with a wrong answer. Okay, so what is the value of b? 3. Okay, the value of b is 3. Negative. Ito sinaparin. Okay? 3. Don't forget to include b in the calculation. Negative. We don't know the value of b. Mababago yan. Plus and minus. b is 3. Squared. If it's positive, it's okay na to include. But if b is negative, it's okay to include. Okay? Minus 4. What is the value of a? 2. What is the value of c? Negative 8. All over 2 times what is a? 2. Equals negative 3 plus and minus. Simplify. What is this? 9. Negative 4 times 2 times 8. Let's 64 okay? All over 4. X equals negative 3 plus and minus. 9 plus 64? 73. 73 all over 73 is prime. Final answer. Or we can write it as x equals negative 3 plus square root of 73 over 4, and the other value is x equals negative 3 minus square root of 73 all over 4. Tapos na. So, you know how to solve factoring. Try to use this one. Dito walang, hindi ka na mag-isip. Okay, ng factor. Just solve. Right? Try another example. Remember this formula. So, pag nakalimutan yun, you forgot this. Okay, that's a book. Use completing the square. Negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over what? All over what? 2a. Okay? Yes, but it was not derived, right? Wala yung derivation. How come we get this formula? X squared, madali lang muna, x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. So, just x squared minus 7x. I will not write that dependent anymore. Okay, x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Go. Use quadratic formula. Pwede yung left. Diretso lang ako dito. Yeah, diretso lang ako. Go away. Or, you want this para hiwalay. Diretso lang ako. Dalawang gagawin. Pwede mo hiwalay.